and it's the 9th of July 2020. It's a bit chilly outside, but I believe maths and numbers are going to warm us up this morning. Do enjoy the lesson. Let's start. Okay, this is yesterday's homework. We were supposed to use number cards. These number cards. Okay, we are supposed to use these number cards in each block to write a number, meaning that you're going to look at this number cards, okay, and then write a number that is represented by these number cards, okay? Let's see. And I want to say thank you. There are those who submitted the assignment. Okay, and then so the second part, remember, was that we were supposed to write these numbers in words. Remember, these number cards or these numbers, we are supposed to write number names. 80, it's 80. You are supposed to write 80. So let's see those who submitted the assignment or the homework. Okay, here we go. Aurora submitted the homework. Okay, and then the first one that we have, remember previously we said that we are going to put them all together. The only way for you to get a number using this number cards is that you need to add them together. So when you add 80 plus 30, it's 110, plus another 10, it's 120. That's correct. And you can also see there, Faith got it correct as well. And then the second one, it was 50 plus 20, it is 70, plus 0, it is 70. That's correct. Faith also got it there. And let's see, the next one is 70 plus 30, which gives us 100. We see Faith also got it there. The next one is 30 plus 3. It gives us 33. That's correct. Faith got it as 33 as well. The fifth one, 100 plus 1 equals to 101. And we see there Faith also got it correct there. Okay, the next one is 100 plus 80. It gives us 180. And we see Faith also did it there, and it gave us 180. So what we were supposed to do, we were supposed to write these numbers using number names, okay? The first one that we have there, it's 80, and this is how we write 80. And remember, I said that if you've got an older brother or sister, mommy or daddy, or somebody in the house who can give you this, if you have it as a poster, or they can write it out for you, and then you can just practice it. The more you practice, if you copy it, that's how you will know it. That's how we learn. We learn through copying. The brain is taking pictures of what we are learning, and then you will see that you will master. So 30, that's how we write 30. 10, that's how we write 10. 50, that's how we write 50. 20, that's how we write 20. 0, that's how we write 0. 70, that's how we write 70. 30, we had it there, it's correct. 3, that's 3, that's how we write it. 100, that is how we write 100. I want to say well done, well done. That's good. Okay. Sharp, sharp. That's correct. Okay. So I want to encourage everybody else to submit your homework. As we are writing, have your exercise book there where you write what we are talking about. Where you don't understand, you can always ask me and submit your homework, because that in itself, it's proof that, okay, on this day I've done this and I've done that. There's something that I wanted to mention is that on your exercise book for today and every day, you will write your name and surname, you will write your grade, and you will also write, if it's a Monday, a Tuesday, a Wednesday, you will write Wednesday, and you'll also write the date. Okay. So if you want to snap your homework, it will be easy for me to see whose homework it is, and I'm able to write your names correctly. Okay, now let's do our number gymnastics. Right, we are going to be counting in tens. Okay, we'll be counting in tens. Where do we start? Let's see. We are going to be starting from 9 up to 99. Counting in tens from 9 to 99. Let's count together. Ready, go. 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, and 99. Can we try to read these numbers backwards? Let's starting from 99, 99, 89, 79, 69, 59, 49, 39, 29, 19, and 9. Well done. Let's go to the next next exercise. We will count backwards again. This time we are counting backwards from 99 to 64. Look at my cursor there. We start at that circle. 99, ready, go. Let's count together. 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, and 64. Well done, grade 2s. Okay. Now I want us to just quickly look back at what we did. Previously, we started with place value. So at the end of this whole session with place value, this is what you will be able to master, okay? You will be able to recognize the place value of numbers. You will be able to know what each digit represents. You will be able to break down your 3-digit numbers into multiples of hundreds, tens, ones, or units. You will be able to identify and state the value of each digit. Like this 2 here, you'll be able to know that it is 200. It is not 2, but it is 200 in terms of place value. And then this 5, it's not 5, but it is 50 in terms of place value. Let's see. Right. Let's see now more about place value. So remember, we want to see if you are able to work with this place value. I want us to work together. Please type in on your chat box there, okay? We are given this number 113. We do not say 113, but we say 113. So for me to see that you have mastered these numbers, I want you to tell me the 2 smaller numbers that come before 113. Can you type it in for me there in the chat box? Okay, type it in for me there. Okay, I see Buikanyo. Yes, we start with 113, but I want you to tell me here. Yes, no Monday, you're right. It must be 2 numbers. Okay. Don't go too fast, James, Reese, or Bess, don't go too far. Buikanyo, or Tabisi say yes. The first one is 101, and then the second one is 102. Okay, Liviwe has already gone ahead of us. The next number, which is bigger, 2 numbers which are now bigger than 2 numbers which are bigger than 113. Yes, Nelia, I see. It is, I see, yes, it is 114, 115. Aurora, I see, that's correct. Chiara, I see, that's correct. So now, let's go to the next one. I know you can master them, but let's go together. If you go fast, then we are going to miss each other, okay? The next one, the next 2 numbers, the first number is 165. Give me the 2 numbers, the 2 smaller numbers before 165. Type in there, please. Okay, Oritabisite, I see. Aurora, I see. Yes. Any more? Any more? The one? Oh, that's right, no Monday. That's correct. So it is 163 followed by 164. What? Give me the 2 bigger numbers which follow 165. Give me the 2 bigger numbers following 165. Type in your chat box there. I see you, Wesley. I see you, Aurora. I see you, Uritabisite. Yes, 166 and 167. Good, good. Now, the next one, the next number that we have there, it's 125. Give me the two smaller numbers that come before 125. Type it in for me. Or tabisite. Check the sequence there. Which is the first one? Followed by which one? Don't go fast, Bikanyo. I want these two numbers before 125. It's 123 followed by 124. Okay, that's right, Taylor, I can see. Give me the two numbers that follow 125, the two numbers which are bigger than 100. That's correct, Uritabisite. Best, good. Liviwe, yes. It is Wiganyo, yes, I see. It is 126 followed by 127. That's correct. Okay. So let's go to the next one. The next one there is 100. Give me the two numbers that come before before 100. The two numbers, Uritabisite, I see you there. Anyone, Wiganyo, I see you there. Okay. Wesley, I see you. There must be two. Wiganyo, I see you. Chiara, I see you. Faith, I see you. Ndivo, I see you. Good. The two numbers before 100, the two smaller numbers, it's 98 followed by 99. That's correct. Well done. Now give me two bigger numbers that follow 100. Aurora, I see you. Obichi, I see you. Nomonde, I see you. Faith, double check Faith. Liviwe, I see you. Wikanyo, I see you. Okay, you correct. The two numbers, the two bigger numbers following 100, it's 101 and 102. Well done, grade twos. Right, let's see what else we have. What is important is that what you have done, it demonstrates to me, it shows me that you understand numbers and you also understand place value. Okay, let's see now. Okay, that was my answer there. Okay, we got it correct there. Let's go to the next one. Okay, more about place value. You know, there is a reason why we are learning all these numbers. What do you see there? What do you think is this on the screen? Just type it in for me. Is there anyone who can tell me what this is, which is on the screen? Anyone who can guess what it is? Scones, yes, Uritabisita, it is scones. And what is it about scones? Anyone who can tell us what is this about scones? And maths and numbers. What is this? What do you think this is? What do we call this? A recipe, Uritabisita, yes. And you will see the use of numbers and the understanding of numbers. So here you can see they say it is the amount, meaning how much should you put together for you to make this yummy scones, eh? Right, and the ingredients. The ingredients, it's a big word to say, to just explain what is it that you're going to put in the scones. Normally, what is it? Type it in for me. What is it that goes into your scones? If mommy says, today I want you to help me to do the scones, what are you going to put together? What do we use to make scones? Any flour, Faith? That's correct. Flour, or Tabis is a yes. What else? Sugar, yes. What else? Milk, I see. Anything else? Salt, yes. Anything else? Bikanya, what's that? Oh, so you're saying something here? Vanilla, yes. Vanilla essence. Aurora, yes. Unsalted butter. Do you see that you can actually read the recipe? Okay. All right. And then we also make use of cups. Eggs, Faith, yes. Okay. So then you will see numbers are there. They say 75 grams. Okay. It's not what we're going to talk about today, but at a later stage, we will talk about this. And then also 1 cup of whole milk. You will also see what we call equivalent, meaning that what is the measurement of 1 cup? It might be an unfair question to ask, but is there anyone who knows what is the measurement of 1 cup? See there they said 75 grams. I know that it's going to be easy for you to take a cup and measure it, okay? But is there anyone who knows? Okay, you will ask mommy and daddy and then, or whoever. I see 75, I see 75. You can ask anybody that you know, what is the measurement of 1 cup? And then we'll talk about it tomorrow. Okay. So the reason why we are bringing this up, 250 milliliters. Wesley, that's correct. Well done. That's correct. So now we have learned something today, that 1 cup is equals to 250 milliliters. Okay. So it means that even if somebody, you have to translate it. Okay, let's translate it now. 250 milliliters. Okay, but it is a bigger number, but I will not allow us to translate it now because you know, it's bigger than the number we are working with. Okay, but if you want to do it on your own, it means here we've got 3 250s, okay? But you don't have to tell me how many milliliters they are, okay? Right. And then also 1 teaspoon. Ish. Anyone who wants to try 1 teaspoon, how many milliliters is it? Wow, Aurora, well done. 5 milliliters, yes. 5 milliliters is 1 teaspoon. Hey, today we are learning some things extra. So 1 teaspoon is equals to 5 milliliters. Okay, we will pack that. We have learned something. Okay, so you will see that our ingredients there, you can use any sort of ingredients for whatever you want to bake. Just one last thing before we go to the next thing. What do we call the steps that we use for baking these scones? Anyone who knows what we call the steps that we use for making the scones? Okay, method, Aurora, yes. Well done, it's a method. Okay, now let's see how we are going to use numbers and our understanding of place value. Good. Okay, so for our homework, I want you to draw 120 circles in a row, not big ones. On your page, they must have you must have rows of 10, meaning that you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then you will also all the way down with rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so all these circles must be 120 on your page. You know, we are different. I really love using a ruler. This is our homework. We are going to draw these circles. What I was saying that I like using a ruler. So if I were you, I will take a ruler and measure so that I have my boxes equal, my rows and my columns equal. Okay. What are you going to do with it? Okay, let's see. I want you to color in. I want you to color in the following numbers, okay? Using different colors per name card. You see the first number card is 100. I want you to circle 100, to color in 100 circles using a color of your choice. I want you to color in 10 circles using a different color. And I also want you to color in 7 circles with a different color. And that, the main reason is so that we can see that we can understand breaking down of the number. Okay, let's see what else are we going to do. I want you to cut numbers from a newspaper or from a magazine. I want you to cut numbers from 100 to 120. Okay? Cut those numbers and paste them on your page, okay? On your exercise book. Let's see the next one. You will do that, the circles, you will color in the number cards, and then you will cut the numbers 100 to 120 so that we can see that you understand place value, and so that you can actually see that we don't only use numbers in class, but there are numbers in magazines, there are numbers in newspapers. So you can see that these numbers will actually help you to read your newspapers and to read your magazines. Are there any questions? So this is the email that you will use. I saw Uritabisita was asking if I am getting her homeworks. You know, I capture all the homework that I get. Okay. So if I did not capture it, Uritabisite, I will double check. But I make sure that I pick up every homework so that we can share with each other and revise nicely together. So thank you very much, grade twos. It was lovely being with you today. I will see you all tomorrow. Remember, math is fun and you must know that you are the best. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.